yours?
So 6 minutes ago.
What?
16 minutes ago. 23 minutes ago.
What?
54 minutes ago.
That's crazy.
But I'm like, who shared
They're
this?
mind blown.
Like, that's wild.
That's raw. You're a superstar.
Superstar,
Crazy,
bro.
dude.
You're a celeb, bro.
That's actually wild.
You're a celeb, bro. Let's hear it.
Alrighty. Okay, I'm sorry. I had a moment. I'm good.
Nothing wrong with that.
Alright.
That's wild, man.
Man, it's these outfits though. It ain't me. It's
Oh
the outfits.
God!
You'll be
Hey
like,
man, but it's once you put it on though, like you just turn on, like you just
Oh, you're attached.
you already being a light bulb, but man, you become a full light array once you put that stuff on. You like, hey, nobody can tell me nothing now. Like,
My favorite moment is when we did the purple and black for Apollo, and
Right.
you were like, I just feel different.
yeah, that was a nice one.
like real tough.
How you like that blue?
It's, you know what, it's different, but after I saw myself in it, I was like, I can rock this. I can make it work. And it worked out.
Yeah, but I've been getting followers from like people who are like